Today I am started a new chapter, the lungs of our planet. It's like no other. Let us go into an exciting journey through the Amazon forest. The Amazonia or the Amazon jungle is a large expanse of rainforest in the Amazon biome. That is why the Amazonia is known as the king of tropical rainforest. Located in the tropics around the equator of the earth, the rainforest covers a vast and astonishing area of 5.5 million square kilometers. The region includes territory belonging to 9 nations. 60% of the forest is found in Brazil and the remaining in Peru, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador and the neighboring countries. The vast forest produces more than 20% of the Earth's oxygen, and this has gained it the nickname of being the lungs of our planet. Flora and Fauna. 50% of the world's plants and animals grow in this region. The biodiversity within the rainforest is extraordinary. The Amazon rainforest is home to a huge variety of plants and animals that dwell in its lush evergreen environment. At least 2.5 million insect species, 10,000 of plants and some 2,000 birds and mammals can be found here. The Kingdom of Amazonia encompasses the most dense forest found in the world. Being so close to the equator, the climate is hot, humid and wet. Hence the forest is clustered with tall and thick trees. Most trees reach a height of 150 feet. The branches and leaves of the trees form a huge canopy so that the sunshine cannot penetrate to the ground. Because of this, it is dark even during the daytime. Look up and the sky is not visible either. Thick vines and creepers snail along the trunks of the trees. The hot and moist climate also encourages the growth of fungi, algae and moss that grow on the trees as well as on the forest floor. Every kind of tree from flowering to fruit trees to medicinal plants can be found here. Be cautious when you treat these rainforests. You will come across the world's most dangerous and unusual animal on the earth. It is a hub of innumerable varieties of insects, reptiles, frogs and other animals. Watch carefully and you will see hundreds of those big hairy spiders and tarantulas. Rather scary to look at, but surprisingly quite harmful creatures. They are found mainly in this forest. Almost unreal electric blue morpho butterflies pass by frequently. Go deeper in the forest and meet the big cat family like jaguars, leopards and tigers in plenty. And you know what happens when you disturb these big cats. 1/5 of the world's species of birds can be found in Amazon rainforest. Native to the jungle of South America are also the brightly colored macaws, birds of the parrot family. See them in blue, red, green, purple, orange, just name the color. Nestle in flocks, the noise they make is deafening. Queen of the forest, the magnificent queen, the Amazon River is the longest river in length and the mightiest river in the world by volume. It begins in the snow-capped mountains of the Andes and flows big and strong through the center of the rainforest. The river and its hundreds of tributaries flow slowly across the landscape towards the sea. Being the lifeline of the forest, this river boasts of some of the richest water habitats. The rain and the water queen together support all life forms here. In the Amazon River, you will find around 2,500 species of fish. Also present in large numbers is the fearsome piranha, a carnivorous fish that is notorious for attacking livestock and even humans. The electrical in the Amazon River is powerful enough to blast its prey with 500 volts of electricity. The pink dolphin is one of the main inhabitants of the river, and the pirarucu, a catfish, is the most ancient species of fish on Earth, belonging to the Jurassic Park, 2,000 million years old. You can find the green anaconda, the largest, most powerful snake in the world and one of the heaviest snakes on planet Earth in great abundance. It resides in the shallow water of the Amazon River as well as cunningly wraps around the branches of the tree. The black alligator is the largest amphibian and an extremely dangerous species to humans. The inhabitants. The forest was once inhabited mostly by tribal peoples. Most of them painted their faces and wore clothes made with natural resources. More than 5,000 species of Amazon tribals lived in the forest. They loved and protected the trees and animals. Sadly, after the European came to the forest in 16th century, exploitation and diseases wiped out most of the original Amazon tribes. Now only about 5 lakh of the Indian survive. However, many have adopted clothes and lifestyle of city dwellers. Help! Today the huge and mighty home to the world's largest tropical rainforest on earth is in danger. And along with it are the millions of species of animals. In the past few decades, nearly 20% of its lush forest has been lost, reducing the survival of the unique wildlife. Every time a tree is cut, the world gets that much less oxygen than rainfall. Every time a tree is cut, many species of animals become homeless and die. Every time the people clear the forest, thousands of cancer-fighting plants are killed. At the rate the Amazon rainforest is being destroyed, there will come a day when it will be gone forever. And with it, so many animals, plants, insects, and birds will become extinct. Oh, aren't we asking for trouble if our Mother Earth loses her lungs? Thank you and have a nice day. For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel. I hope this video is beneficial to your success.